8-axis CNC Swiss screw machines. An 8-axis CNC machine is going to give you a lot of flexibility. It's going to allow you to make the part more efficiently. They have many different features on Swiss machines that allow you to do many different types of operations such as turning, slotting, knurling, threading, and CNC Swiss machines are capable of doing long, slender work pieces. This one in particular is 12 times the diameter in length, with the tool working close to the guide bushing, which allows long, slender diameters. Its unmatched quality and fine finishes are achieved. Off our Swiss machines, we can hold plus or minus 2/10 tolerance. If you need a grind diameter that has very precision tolerances, we could hold 1/10,000th of an inch. Oh, we are inspecting parts right now. We want to make sure that we're making 100% quality parts for our customers.
So we check parts over and over and over again.
We want to be your source for precision machine parts.